This is FM News 101. You may have heard a thing or two lately about reverse mortgages. Yep, we agree. The topic can be confusing. Joining us now is our real estate expert, Rick Sadle. Rick, are reverse mortgages still a good idea? Were they ever a good idea?
Well, I don't know if I could classify them as a good or a bad idea, but they're a tool, right? So they're a way for people over the age of 62 to get to the equity in their house without making monthly mortgage payments. I think the knock on them has been mostly that they could be complicated and confusing, maybe expensive. But, like any other loan product, there are good ones and bad ones.
And why is the federal government putting new restrictions on these? Is it because they can be confusing? Is that why?
Well, no, actually, it's funny. I don't know if it's funny, actually, but FHA did a study, and FHA is the one that does most of the insurance on these loans. And they found that almost 10% of a specific type of reverse mortgage were in default. And I say default, even though they don't have to make monthly mortgage payments, they do have to continue to make tax and insurance payments. And so what they found was the type of product that allowed for the most money up front, they get a lump sum payment, that up to 10% or $2.8 billion of the FHA insurance fund were in default. So they eliminated that product and kept some of the other the reverse mortgage products that allow for a smaller amount up front and then monthly payments.
We have about 20 seconds left, Rick. What would be your general advice about reverse mortgages?
Get more advice. Talk to a financial planner or a trusted mortgage broker just to make sure that it fits their needs.
Yeah, because one person might not have the same kind of advice that someone else has,
Absolutely.
Okay. Rick Sadle is with Keller Williams Realty and PortlandRealestateAdvisor.com. You can hear him Mondays on FM News 101.